Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another week in the market. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Um, Update on the war over in Iran, the war, oil, all that stuff. I guess the deal ended up going sour. The Iranian leader and Trump talked this weekend, couldn't get a deal done, so it ended up going south. Um, Trump sent the U.S. Navy ships to go block off the Strait of Hormuz, however you pronounce that. And so expect oil to go up. As you can see, the oil stocks. While I'm on here talking to you, oil plays are going up. We're gonna go at USOY. These are the ones I trade, and the ones you probably trade also if you're following me. If you notice in your Robinhood account overnight, USOY went up and it's still going up. I put a sell order in at $10.93 at the 52-week high. I'm gonna take some of this profit if it hit it again. And as you can see, I'm up. This Robinhood be with the BS on this app, like it be freezing up. I don't know what be wrong with it. I start my phone and restart it every time before I do a video. You just show me my position. Oh, this in the Roth. That's why it's doing it. Why are you in the Roth? Because I didn't hit the button for you to even go there. That's what I'm saying. The app here be tripping at times. But anyway, we're going to keep on going. I got an average cost of $6.95. As right now, I'm up $27 and 27.73% at $8.88. So imagine what I'd be at $10.93. That's $2 more. So if you take $3.57, I'm gonna sell $2. It'll be up another 200. Well, probably almost double that. If we up it another $2, 10.93, $2.05 times $185. So anyway, it'll be up another 200, $300. I'm gonna take that profit. Like I say, you gotta take advantage of this here. It could, whatever. If it end up going more, I'm gonna have the remaining shares for that. But you know this does pay out every week. Show you USOI. This crude oil. Exchange traded notes with Credit Suisse. This got up to 62.91 today. Made a new 52-week high. I was gonna exit this position actually at $62 and take my money and run, but it's paying a dividend of $7.47. So I'm gonna hold on to it. Anyway, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, remember when oil goes up, most times stocks go down, but it's hard to say because it seems like the Magnificent Seven, this YMAG, is up today. It's at $12.31. I brought a bunch of shares at $12 last week. So definitely looking good here when it get me my 500 shares. Think next time it definitely tanks, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna do it with YMAG, IWMY, and I'm gonna do it with QQQY. So that'll cover the Magnificent Seven to be the S&P 500. IWMY be the Russell 2000. I got 348 shares, only down 5.13%. This pays out every week. And QQQY be the NASDAQ 100. So I can cover all three sectors right there. And you know how the S&P 500, I got 305 shares, only down 6%. And I'm going to do it with SPIT. Okay, the Magnificent Seven just gonna do the top, the top seven in the in the S&P 500. Now I'm gonna do the Defiant. This one here is the whole S&P 500, which I'm only down 1.79% in this. I'm almost back breaking even. I loaded up on this one, but anyway, I'm gonna do my 500 shares on those, and I'm gonna hit SVOL with the 500 shares. This pays 28 to 30 cents a share a month. It's at 1582. I'm at 1618. Those five I'm going to do. Anyway, let's get to trading. But those are five stocks you might want. You could put those five on recurring investments every day. And I would throw in YMAX. A little more volatile, but the Universe Fund, I'll throw in this one here. Just having a good day. Just put all those on $2 a day. That's 6 stocks. And that's just $12 a day, and you can ride on out, man. You will have a dividend, a snowball, or an avalanche with those 5, with those 6. And if you throw that USOY in, that'll be 7. You have an oil stock in there. Anyway, man, let's go, man. We're going to start with Tellus, ticker TU. They moved the price target down to $12. This is a dividend play. I think when good news come out, the stock going to go back up. They can always increase the stock price just because they got it at 12. That's what another business said, which I can show you right here. Their opinion. And they downgraded it, set it from perform to outperform. That's Scotiabank. But anyway, that's just somebody opinion. Good earnings and stuff come out, and numbers don't lie. Numbers, math don't have no opinion on nothing. So anyway, good news come out, whatever. They can come out next week. They be like, oh yeah, we're gonna increase the stock price to the $14. That's how things work. $11.70. I put a buy limit order in at $11.70. You can get some right now at market price too. 10.21% dividend yield. All right, Wendy's. As you know, for y'all that watch the whole videos, I've been swing trading this at $7.18. I've been buying at 7 and under, preferably $6.90 and under. I can catch it at $6.88, sell it at $7.18. That's 30 cents a share. If I have 100 shares, that's $30 quick. And if it does that 2 to 3 times a week, that's some money I made just on that one play. But you can always increase your volume. You get you 1,000 shares if you like. Get you 500. But those are my marks. It got down to 663 today. Dividend yield is 8.13%. Pays a dividend every quarter. Go get you some Wendy's. I know a lot of y'all probably is down in that stock also. We're going to go with Earn. 8 cents a share a month. I buy 5 to 25 shares of this every day before it goes back past the $5 mark. $5.47 $4.57 it went to. That's what I put the buy limit order in at. 5 shares. There we go. I already got my 500 here. I'm at 472. Swing trade this round about 525. I'm gonna take profits, leave the rest for the dividend. Hood came down overnight, got down to 67.81 and moved back to the $70 range. Still go get me $3 worth. Still a good price to be at. SoFi bounced back also. See, these Hood, SoFi, and Webull, these are stocks. I mean, it's a bunch of nice stocks people just swing trading. This got down to $15.96, already back up. But 54 plus 4, 50, about 60 cents already to do. A lot of people like day trading and swing trading these stocks. But it's another one I have. I'm selling my shares. Everything I brought 16 and under, I'm selling at $18. I'm gonna keep the rest for it to run and be a runner. And if it goes back down, I'm gonna rinse and repeat. Flowers Food, put your buy limit orders in at $7.87. You can get some at market price, 12.28% dividend yield. HRL, Dividend King. Flower Food hikes its dividend every year also. $20.34. Hormel, 5.57% yield, $31.86. 52-week high, which probably you never gonna see again. Food sector's getting beat up. But while we there, let's go with KHC. 22.32, 52-week high, 30.42. I'm selling my shares at 26. When I make my exit, $6.94, 6.94% dividend yield. 21.04, 52-week low. And GIS, another food stock getting whooped. All these are dividend plays, pay consistent dividends, $34.37. It broke that, got down to $34.04 today. I went and bought like $50 worth. Made a new 52-week low, 8.75% PE. Ratio is undervalued. $59.20, 52-week high, you never gonna see again. Dividend yield 6.77%. Give you some growth stocks. Microsoft, MSFT, $371.02. I went and got some, put one in at that price. Microsoft taking off right about now. Tesla. But I have been buying MSFO. That's what I've been buying every day. It's at 1170. I'm going in right now at 1148. Like I say, just doing options on Microsoft. It pays out every week. That's what I've been buying in this portfolio instead of buying Microsoft itself. Tesla. See, Tesla could come down to like 322, 348.57 is the low, 350 go get some at market price. 52 high, 498.83. Also get you some TSLY. Doing options on Tesla. Already got this on recurring investments. What's $1 a day? Go get $2 worth right now. So that skyrocket back up. SVOL. Like this at $5 a day. Just going in there and buying some. Riding it on up. 1583. I'm at 1616. 28 to 30 cents a share every month. But like I said, when the market green, you're going to cash up. So that's when you cash up, your dividends come in, you just sit back chilling. Reinvestment plays you want for long term. Don't want to come down in. Spit S&P 500, Green Day 1666. I'm at 1697. This will definitely loading zone at 17 and under. Pays 28.32 cents a share a month, depending on the stock price. We're gonna go with Vici. This will buy anytime you catch this under 28 bucks. 6.34% yield. They own all the casinos, resorts in Vegas. 34.1 is the 52-week high. We'll go with Clip. $25.98. This pays out every month. Got that on recurring also. Buying this up below the $30 mark. Clip paid between 51 to 68 cents a share, depends on the stock price every month. Nike, what's the dividend yield now? Nike should be around about a 4% yield. Anyway, I'm coming down at these prices. I was getting $20 a day, just lowering that average cost. My dividend yield is 3.8%. They hike their dividends every year also. All right, that's everything on my list. Go check out Traps. Like I say, it seemed to be the market fighting back today, so a semi-green day. Got Horizon on $2 a day investment, stuff that I just want to buy and lower my average cost without looking and knowing. GPMT, swing trade. Go in today, get some of this, 134, 132. So when it decides to squeeze. When it does squeeze, I'll be in the driver's seat. Stay out of this play. It's volatile. Okay, that's GPMT. I'm at 144 with 177 shares. I've been swing trading it. We're going to go at SCM, which I just seen. This pays out every month. Another one I need to put on the dollar day investment. I'll buy it every week. Dividend not coming. 11.3 cents a share every month. They end up having bad earnings. I think they cut their dividend a little bit. But that's okay. It's normal for the market. All right, see what else we got going on. Going to get this trade over with. Start out Monday. Aries Capital, definitely 1.5. This be getting whooped too. Been buying this every day. Pays out every month. Dividend yield around like 10%. 10.61. TCPC OBDC. You need to go put my weekly investment in with that. TCPC OBDC. Stay out of those. I will go with monthly and weekly payers. Being how the market is set up now, those pay out every quarter. And they're a little volatile. Starwood was getting whooped. Another 1.5. 1763. 52-week low is 1690. 10.86% yield, pay out every quarter. That's a reliable dividend there. PFLT I put on $1 a day. I already got, or $2 a day. I already got this. Volume orders in at 8 and under. We got Nike, Brandywine waiting on a sale on that one. We're going to go with Redwood Trust. Another nice one haven't brought in a while. 588, 639. 12.14% yield every quarter. Waiting on that to pull back if I'm going to mess with that one. Glad also had bad earnings, 1750. 1654 is the low, 10.72% yield, pay out every month. Buy this one up. This is another nice one. Gladstone Products. I'm at 2038. We did Wendy's. I was SCHD go back around about that $27 mark, so I can load up one good time on it. We got Clip. We did Earn. Put Jeppy on recurring investments. See everything else having a nice day today. I might go sell some bull since it's squeezing. I want to wait actually to $6, at least $5.38 on some of the shares. Fiat, Coinbase up. Fiat is down. Get a little bit of that on the days, little discount. But Coinbase goes down, Fiat goes up. See GOF, y'all was buying this when I was telling y'all, I got an average cost 1104. I was buying this at 10 something. Pays 18 cents a share every month. HTO is the water company. Pulling back, but I'm still up. It's a water company out in California. And that's it. Enjoy your day. Go get your money.